Get a lawyer and don't say a word. My ex lunged at me while I was reclined in a chair. I blocked her advance and she called the police. My error was when I was called into the station was to tell the truth, not knowing she had totally fabricated a story that I had knocked her down and tried to strangle her. I lost a lot of respect for the police as there was absolutely no evidence to back her claim. True or false, the police just want a conviction for their resume. But he looked stupid in court when asked what evidence he had to charge me, and he said I assumed it had happened. I was found not guilty of domestic violence. She levied the charge simply through fabricated hearsay and had absolutely no evidence to back it. This was an effort by her to gain the upper hand in our divorce. The judge said in her closing remarks, "In all the years on the bench, I have never seen a story so scripted. Cost me $17,000 to defend myself, yet my ex paid nothing and suffered zero consequences for her attempt. My lawyer told me it is becoming an epidemic. Sadly, it only affects the true victims in the end. If you are a wife and need to file DV on your husband or his family, trust me, you don't need any evidences. Evidence comes at a very later stage. Till then, police, court, lawyers, etc. will screw your husband and his family's life. Remember, time is constant and so is change in time. For a certain time your husband/family will suffer, but after that he might feel like taking revenge. After all such acts, cases, court, police, etc., one thing will remain same, that you have to move forward. You might get some amount as extortion in the name of alimony from your husband, some shoulder to cry for some time, sympathy from various people for a time being, but as everything, all this will also come to an end. Post all such events, you will start seeing very few/no people surround you, and in fact lot of people with a negative view. You know, people really feel afraid in gelling out with a person who has screwed some other's life, be it a man or a woman. I would say before coming to that stage you should try a more feasible or nice way to handle such situations. Why don't you speak with your partner about it and give an ultimatum to stop it, and also see if something is going wrong from your side too. Forget about those fools who provoke and encourage to file multiple cases to drag down husbands. Those kind of people never find happiness in their life, hence keep suggesting others to screw their life too.